can't even, I can't do nothing. I can't clean. This fucking radio. It's always playing happy shit. You cannot change a situation. See, I can't clean because everyone wants to be happy, and when you're happy, you don't touch a damn thing. You do not move nothing. You do not touch. See, I can't clean. I can't clean because everyone wants to claim they're happy like they are. I can't clean. I mean, I did a lot of cleaning during the night a few nights ago because there was no radio. There was no noise, no celebration music. Celebration music is to destroy your opportunity to change life for the better. Music is to destroy all your opportunities to get well, to get out of sickness. That's what music does.